Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Samirul Mukmin. My matrix number is CBE 202016. My course code is MPU 1223 and my lecture name is Nur Hazwani binti Muhammad Asri. Today I would like to present about Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Samsung S22 series was unveiled on 9 February 2022 as a successor of Galaxy S21 series. This smartphone was created with many unique features and better performance compared to the previous version. The design is similar to preceding S series phone with an Infinity O display containing a circular cutout in the top center for the front selfie camera. All three models use Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for the black panel, unlike S21 series, which had plastic on the smaller S21. This is the detail about the phone. This smartphone comes with 4 colors, which is Phantom Black, Green, Pink Gold and Phantom White. If you buy this phone from their website, from Samsung website, they will give you 3 free gifts, which is Galaxy UD Live AirPods, camera filter mount, the back camera cover, and 6 month 100 gig OneDrive cloud storage for free. And the price is 3,499 to 4,099. This is the advantage of this phone. This is the main advantage that we will get from the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. Previously, S Pen only available on Samsung Galaxy Note family. It is located at the bottom of the body. We can enhance our creativity using this pen for taking some notes, create scratch, improve photo or video, optimization and some more others. The second one is advantage of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G is they have water resistant body with IP68 rating. The body designed with aluminium frame. We can bring this phone to swim about 1.5 meter deep and about 30 minutes long. Of course, we can wash this phone with soap to remove any virus from COVID-19. So this is the advantages of this phone. The battery is not removable. It is normal for flash grip or new smartphone to use non-removable battery. But the problem will be happen when the phone battery is on trouble or the battery reach its lifetime. So the second one is Samsung Galaxy S22 does not have external memory for micro SD. This is flash grip smartphone with fast UFS 3. Some user does not aware about read or write speed. If they use low speed micro SD, the phone performance may be downgrade or becoming lagging when running some application. In the conclusion, this smartphone have many benefit and feature that we can use for daily. But it also have but it's also highly recommended for someone who love to take photo and love to write note. The phone is water resistant, so for those who love to take photo or video inside the water will be no problem. They can survive for 30 minutes inside the water. That's quite long. For the lens of the camera is also legit compared to others phone. However, the price is a bit pricey for student. Thank you.